Ganya, Angelo, Justin, Gene, Sid, and Rodman.
Game na, game. Walang change to ah.
Okay, again, 12 minutes. Running time, no change.
Go.
Sobra? Ay, yung Jomari, ano, next game po tayo. Next game tayo, Jomari. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me.
Kadiri.
Alright, starting game 4, Isaiah. With Ganya for the 3. No good. Rebound by Cleveland. Copy ulit.
I'm a black JD, the way these bitches
Okay, R2 pasok. Off the board by Marlon.
Ayan ba yun? 2-3 ba? Sorry.
Okay, Rodman binigay kay Isaiah. Shot attempting for a 3. Uy, medyo nahiya pa na ipasok. Montalban, number 7 ringing number 2. Sleeveless. Pinasa kay Montalban. Punta sa gitna. Extra pass to Sleeveless. In the corner. Pull up 2. Basto. 4-0 in favor of Team A. Parang kanina lang. Naglang sila kanina. Rodman pinasa kay John. Step back. Mid-range. Basto. Livingston, ikaw ba yan?
Ang ina mo ulit.
Black shirt.
Livingston, ikaw ba yan, no?
Pinasa kay Marlon, pinasa sa corner 3. Side step, half step. Sleeveless, perimeter, pasto! Nag-iinit ang pagkakamping ito. Boiling point chemistry. John, Sid, pumunta sa gitna. Pinasa ulit kay John. John! Pull up, no good. Number 33, pinasa kay Sleeveless. 3 for 1, pinasa kay number 33, extra pass. No good. Rebound by number 33, Basto. Okay, football pass.
8-2 ah. 8-2.
Still by Marlon, score 8-2. Lamang ang Team A. Marlon, crossover to the corner. 33 behind the back. Recovered by number 7. Sa ilalim. Papunta sa perimeter. Sleeveless. No good. Rebound by Ganya. 3 for 3. Ganya with the layup. Paso! 8-4 ang score. Dapat lang po ang kalaman. Number 7 or Montalban. Reading the ball. Setting the play. Pull up. No good. Sid. Pinasa kay Ganya. Ganya. Another attempt or 2. No good. Foul for Perez. Inbound. Rodman. Pinasa kay Sean. Pull up. No good. Number 7. Attempting for a 3. No good, off the board. Rebound by Sleeveless. Pinasa kay number 3. Pangga, tira, paso. Grabe, pang-post-post na nangyari ngayon. Isaiah. Pinasa sa gitna. John, in the corner. Rodman, pull up, mid-range. No good. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon. Uy, what a nice pass. Upset. Lagay. No good. Rebound by Ganya. Ganya, 3 for 1. Pinasa kay Isaiah. Isaiah for the 2. Point. Wala, no good. Pinasa kay number 33. 33. Side step. Lagay. Kabisado.
Magaling na.
Score.
Okay, maglaro yun, no?
10-4. Score, 10-4. Shot for 3. No good. Black shirt. Okay. 3 for 3. Pinasa kay number 33. Pass sa gilid. Pasto! Last one sa gilid.
12-14. Ay, 12-4.
12-4. Wala po ang kalamangan ng Team A for 3. Ganya. Papadikit. 7 minutes and 10 seconds left. 12-7. Lima na lang po ang kalamangan. Number 7. Ilalim. What a nice pass sa ilalim. 8 out palabas. Floater, no good. Sid. Fast break. Side step. No good. Sid with a nice steal. No good. Another rebound. 2 points by Sid. Score 12-9. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan. 5-0 run by Team B. Okay, perimeter, no good. Rodman. Attempting, dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Ganya, pinasa kay Isaiah. Paso! What a nice play!
12-11.
12-11 sa na lang po ang kalamangan. Side step. Okay, with the pressure sa gitna.
6 minutes.
Wow, 2 minutes, 6 minutes left. Pinasa gitna. Easy to by number 33. Number 33, ang scorer ng Team B. 14-11, tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan. Rodman, handling the ball. Pinasa kay Isaiah. Isaiah for 3.
Tapos.
Okay, black shirt. Dribbling the ball, pinasa kay number 7. Attempting for a 3. Paso!
17-11 na.
Bumalik sa kalamangan sa ating
Team B.
ay Ganya. No good. Number 33, dribbling, coast to coast. Pinasa kay Sleeveless. 3 for 3 sa perimeter. Sa kanan by Sleeveless. 19-11, wala po ang kalamangan. Sid. Crossing to the defender, floater, but no good. Black shirt. Alright, pinasa sa gilid. Marlon, extra pass. Kick out. Overpass steal by Sean. Sean, pinasa kay Isaiah. Extra pass to Sean. Nice. 2 points. What a nice play by Team A.
BBB.
19-13, anim na lang po ang kalamangan.
Oras ba?
4 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. Una sa corner, pinasa sa gitna. Flick, post, side step. No good. Foul, so nilagay Sid. Inbound, pinasa kay Marlon. Extra pass. Okay, kick out sa 3. Oh, dribbling the ball. Nice screen. Pick and roll ba to? Marlon, pinunta sa corner. Sleeveless. No good. Rebound by number 33. Nilagay. Kapisado ang paglagay ng bola. 21-13. Walang kalamangan. Rodman, hawak yung bola. Steal by number 33. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Side step. Nilagay. No good. Rodman pinasa kay Isaiah. Isaiah looking. Side step. Ooh! Coast to coast by Isaiah. Fast break. Marlon binali. No good. Fed. 21-15 ang score. Anin ng kalamangan na Isaiah. Drop pass. That lead to a turnover. Okay, leading. Handling the ball, number 33. Dinalek kay number 7. Solid tong liman to. 33. Side step. Bangga. All good. All good. Grabe. Hilot tayo mamaya. 21-15, pinasa kay Black Shirt for 3, no good. Rebound by Sid. Yun in the air. Okay, Marlon. Pinasa kay Sleeveless, kay number 7. Binalik kay Sleeveless. Muna sa gitna. Okay. Pinasa ulit. No good. Rebound again by number 33. Pasok! Grabe, second chance points always by number 33 from the rebound. Attempting na makalayas. Sabantay na yun, pero that leads to an out of bounds. Okay. 23-15. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. Rodman. Pinapakay. Kapit by number 33. Hinabol yung bola. Binigay kay Stevens. Nagtangka mag-layup. Pasok! Nice recovery from the loose ball from the turnover. Isaiah. Over. Kinaliwa. Oh, good. Recovery rebound by Isaiah. Pinasa kay shot. Go! 25-17.
Sumis.
2 minutes left. Again, 2 minutes left. Walo ang kalamangan ng Team B. For 20 possession, lamang po sila. Number 7 for 3. Pasok! Off the board!
28-17.
28-17, 11 ang kalamangan. Rodman for 3. Okay. Rebound by number 33, number 7, pinasa kay Sleeveless. Pinasa kay number 7 na ilalim. Aliyo. No good. Gun, binigay kay Isaiah. Behind the back. Napunta kay Ganya for 3. Paso!
28-20.
Walo ang kalamangan.
Wait lang.
1 minute left. Again, 1 minute left. 8 ang lamang ng Team B. Black shirt, pinasa kay number 33. Pinasa kay Marlon. Punta na shot. Binalik sa 33. Binalik sa 33 ulit. Okay, maraming defender. Marlon, inanan. Binalik sa kaliwa. Pasok! Woo! Ganya. Back to back. No good. Black shirt. Okay, dire-diretso. Last 30 seconds. 30-20. In the corner. 3 for 3. No good, Marlon. Ang taas nun.
15 seconds.
15 seconds left. Last possession na po tayo. Last possession.
10.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,